This is a short tutorial to get you acquainted with this thumbnail template that you can use for projects. So the first thing, you've opened it in Photoshop, and in order to recreate the way this is looking on the screen, I want to point out what I've done here. I started out with from window going down to the workspace, and I'm going to just reset essentials. Now let's see what's happened here. I'm going to move my window over here. It's presenting my tools over here. I kind of pull them in a little bit. And then over here, I have a stack of what they've determined is the set of tools I'm likely to use in this essential setting. But I'm going to simplify this work environment by holding down my mouse and grabbing the layers window and pulling that so it's not stuck to this other grouping. And then I'm just going to actually go back. I'm just going to now close this down. I'm going to click on these various things, pull them aside, and just see what I'm doing here. I'm detaching it from the panel, and I'm just holding down the X to get rid of all these things because I really don't want to have these viewing. So I've now just got my layers open. I'm going to pull this down so I can see everything that's in that layers, and I've got my tools here. I've done that because I really only need to be working with one tool and these layers. So let's take a look. At the very top, indicated in red is it's uncollapsed. I can click that arrow and collapse that so that we don't see the contents inside that folder. But let's expand it again, and we see there's a layer for your name, which is where you would hit T to get to the type tool, and then you'll be able to actively type in your name on that layer. Go down to this layer called project name, and you're still going to be in the type tool, which you can get to with just touching T on your keyboard. And you're going to click on that, and you're going to type the name of your project there. Now that you've done that, you can just take your mouse and just collapse that. And you could even lock those layers now, so you won't be clicking them. Now let's get into the heart of this file, which is the student work layer. And to make things a little more streamlined, there is a brush in this file that you can get to by going to Windows and Brushes. And then you pull brushes over here, and you'll see that at the very top of the stack, in my view of brushes, is this basic pencil for thumbnail sketching. If you actively click on that, that gets you into a setting that's going to be pretty basic for your thumbnails. If for any chance you don't see that in this file, let's just delete that and let's pretend you don't see it. I've included in this file that brush that you can load into your brushes. And you do that by just opening up from window the brushes and then go over here to this stack, which sometimes is referred to the hamburger menu because it looks like a stack of hamburger patties, I guess. You hold down your mouse and you go down here to import brush. And down here is, I know right where it is on my workstation, so it'll be easier for you because you will have downloaded this directly to your desktop. It's called the Basic Pencil Brush.abr, which is the extension that indicates it's a brush that you can use in Photoshop. So you just open that, and then oddly enough, when you load new brushes into Photoshop, you're going to find it at the very bottom of the stack. Now it looks like I loaded it in twice. So here it is. That's my basic thumbnail sketching brush that's in there. You can certainly go around and figure just within brushes, you can tweak and make some setting that you want, but I've included this just to make it easier for you to just immediately get started into sketching on this file to sketch your ideas. Now you can also add additional layers to this if you want to by clicking down here. And let's click no. But you can also just make a note that the template, which is just showing the squares and whatnot, that's locked. And that just preserves that. And the way the file is set up is you'll do all your work on layers above that. I'm sorry, I'm not on my brush tool. You will do your work on this layer or in additional layers as you see fit. So this is the basic drill and have fun.